大家好，我们很久没有来开箱了。我现在人在上海，所以大家陪我一起开箱吧。那我们来看第一个，不晓得这里面是什么。你一定很好奇我的手怎么了？对，我跌倒了，又跌倒，所以手受伤了。然后我们来看看。今天又掏到什么好物了？哇，这都是小孩子的发夹，全是我喜欢的 Kitty 系列，是不是很可爱呀？这个也是 ，It's absolutely cute. You guys wanna see? And this. Isn't that cute? Look at this one. This is a heart. And this is a little baby. Absolutely. Wow. Show you. 所以这边是我掏到的，还有这一包，哇，这实在是太可爱了，我都想要用了。下一个不太知道，我估计应该是另外一个发夹吧。啊。黄色系列，我知道了。我掏的另外一个黄色系列，又是一些小星星、小花花，还有哦，这是粉红色的，所以刚刚是 Kitty 的，所以这个是一半黄色，然后一半粉红色。这感觉上是那种硅胶的，软软的，好可爱哦！是不是很可爱呀 ？This is absolutely adorable. Whoever have a kid, contact me. I share some with you guys. Oh, look at this one. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Tag. Oh, look at what I got. Isn't that cute? Wow, this is so nice. Here's another one. So this is a very interesting. There's a two-way this hairpiece. Then you do like this. Then you go over, and then you just wear this. This. Isn't a brilliant idea? That's cool. I love it. It's so pretty. There too. And let's open the fourth one. Wow. It's a mark. And of course, gotta be my favorite colors, pink. Ha ha ha! Look at this monster. Isn't this is a Labubu? So this is a Labubu. Let me open it. See what is inside. So this is what it looks like inside. Like this. And it's a straw, which I hate the most. And then, of course, for the tip. Okay,